here with WTI. I want to share with you guys why I love these disposable ear piercing kits. First of all, they're so easy to use. Let me show you. You just simply pick the spot you want to pierce, and then you wipe with the provided alcohol wipe. After that, you place the dispenser between your thumb and your finger. And then the spot you're wanting to pierce, you put right in between the earring here and the back of the earring, just like so. Then, with its flexible springs, you're able to actually see the precise spot you're wanting to pierce before actually piercing. And then it's as easy as 1, 2, little pinch, 3. So there you have it. They're super easy to use. Second, they're so affordable. And third, you get to do it in the convenience of your own home. How awesome is that? But that's just my point of view.